everybody. It is afternoon. In fact, it is exactly 5 minutes after 12. It is definitely afternoon. I am all dressed. I've been up. I made breakfast for Ron and I. He made us coffee today. He made my coffee today. And I straightened up down here. I wiped off the tables. I loaded the washing machine. Just tidied up things. You know how things get messy when you're not at home. And then last night, the last thing I did was wash my dishes and I went to bed. I was so tired. I had such a full day yesterday. By the way, if you're curious, my waterproof watch worked out really, really good. I swam with it on all day yesterday. Well, about 3 hours. And it's still going strong. So, Walmart, $15 watch. I give it a thumbs up. It says it has a lifetime warranty with it. We'll see about that one. But anyhow, I'm drinking my water. I had my eggs and my turkey on whole wheat bread this morning. I had a yogurt and 1 cup of coffee, and I'm drinking my water. And I can tell a difference already with changing what I eat, because I know this probably is a little TMI, but I lost count on how many times I had to go pee. I don't know if I should even tell you that, but I had to get up twice in the middle of the night last night, and it's from all the water intake. But this water tastes so amazing. I don't know, but sometimes a girl just needs a good ice water. And this does the trick. So we have pottery class again today. We are so excited about going. It's our 4th class at the Huntington Museum of Art. We have a fantastic teacher. We have certainly learned a lot. It has been a lot of fun. I'm just so excited about going and working with the clay. We get all messy. We get it all over our clothes, so I don't wear anything fancy. It cooled down last night here. It's only in the 60s today, but it's super sunny. I don't know if you can see that in the window. Super sunny, but it cooled down. And we actually had to turn our heat back on because it was 38 degrees this morning when we got up. And so I had to turn the heat on. It's going to be 38 degrees tonight. Heat staying on. I hate it. I mean, this is so unusual for us. Usually we're already scorching hot, and those trees at the gym that you guys know I love to share with all of you guys, because you know the dogwood trees, all those trees, the way they bloom, I love that. Every year I look so forward to it. I love to film it, take pictures of it, because I think it's so pretty. And those trees over there by the gym, they haven't done anything. And I don't think they're going to this year, because this weather has just been up and down, up and down, up and down, and it's just been crazy. But anyhow, I just got my mail. I'm going to make sure my house is locked up. I'm going to grab my bag, make sure I have my keys, because my husband will ask me 25 times before I walk out the door, do you have your keys? In fact, it's become kind of a joke between him and I, because before I leave, I go, honey, and he goes, what? And I go, I've got my keys. Guess what? And he goes, what? I got my keys, because he asked me a million times. So I'm going to make sure I got my keys. And then we're going to be catching the bus out here out back. So I look for them to call any moment now. Every week, they show up at my house. Now, class starts at 1. They show up at my house about 12:30. And they are running behind and late every single week. Every single week they are dragging to get over here and to get us. So hopefully they will make it on time. We'll get there on time, and we're going to have a good class. I'm going to take you guys along, do some filming with you guys, show you all the fantastic stuff that my hubby will be making, because he's really good at the bowl making. He did better than me last week. I broke my first bowl, and she's like, oh, that's okay. And you know, they just come over and scrape your clay off your wheel and throw it in the garbage and give you another cube to play with. So it's all good. And anyways, I'm looking forward. I'm going to take you guys along. So let's get going. Well, we are here at Pottery. I think the teacher's running a little late, or we're early. Which one? We're early. It's only 12:57. We had a couple cut loose from class.
Well, I'm here at the wheel, getting her ready to go.
Yep, there's my place right there. You ready to make some more bowls?
Oh, I'm ready.
Here we are sitting on our benches. Teacher's late.
She's eating. Yeah, I think right there.
This is the start. Did you get it?
Yep.
Now you got to smack it down on there, remember? No, well, see if it'll move if you move it with your hand.
It ain't gonna move.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Is that centered, you think?
Yeah, it looks to me like it is.
Awesome.
Okay, I'm going to work the corners out of mine and round mine out.
Now I'm gonna turn it.
Getting situated. Don't fall on the floor. Oh, you scared me to death.
Yeah, I might walk over here.
So we just got home a little while ago. We had a wonderful class. And I hope I don't have any spinach in my teeth while I'm talking to you guys. That would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? So I could not wait to eat. I'm starving, okay, guys. I'm on this, I don't like to call it a diet, but I am on a healthier journey. Let's put it that way. Because you guys know that I love to bake and I love to cook. And so, yes, I will be splurging every once in a while, but I have been trying my very best to do better. This bowl is going to look ginormous, but the reason why I put it in this bowl is because I had one of those Asian salad kits. And if you guys have watched a recent video of me, I made up my meals in little meal prep. Well, I had the one that had just a chicken breast and some of the rice. So I warmed that up and I dumped it on top of my Asian salad. And I did not use the dressing that came with the Asian salad. I used the Norman's Own. It's sugar-free. And I just drizzled it just a wee little bit. And then I didn't really care for it, I'm going to be honest. And I had a little bit of avocado salad dressing that I bought that was organic. And I did put that on there. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this. This is really big. But I was really hungry. But that's what's left of it. It was really, really good. Chicken will fill you up. Like, fill me up. And I'm drinking a water in my new cups. And it's been wonderful. And for snack, I probably have banana later on tonight. I need to get some other fruit, but yesterday when I came home, I had a banana. So bananas seem to really help me, not only with like digestion, but I think that my body really does need the potassium. And so I always eat a banana. You know, my grandmother, she lived a long life, and she was very active. And she was especially active even in her old age. And I can remember the things that she ate, and she always ate a banana. Always. But she ate liver once a month too. And believe it or not, I actually do like liver. And liver and onions, I really do like it. And when Ron's mom was living, she used to make liver quite often. So we ate it a lot, and it has a lot of iron and stuff in it. It's actually really good for you. But I don't know how good it is for you because we would fry it. So I don't know any other way to eat liver, or would want to eat liver that wouldn't be fried. A lovely class, and I actually, for the first time, made a bowl, which was one of my biggest bowls I've ever made, completely by myself, no help. So that was nice. It's a beautiful day outside. I mean, it's colder, but the sun and the sky and no rain and just a soft breeze, and it was so pleasant. I put my sunglasses on today and just went and enjoyed. Now, my husband is going to have a burger tonight, so I'm going to go put that burger on for him, and that's what he's going to eat tonight, which is fine with me, because I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm so stuffed. It does not even bother me that he gets to eat a little bit extra than I do, but that's okay. I'm good. Gonna go in and put Ronnie's burger on. He's over at his dad's right now, visiting. And I'm gonna put his burger on, and I'm going to get busy, and I need to put some clothes in the dryer and some things like that. And this girl's gonna run out of energy fast today, because it was another early morning.